Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe to be a part of Shade and Shine. So coming to today's video, it's a quilling making video. I'm going to show you how I made a pair of quilled earrings. Before starting the video, let me give you a background how it started. So few days back I downloaded a quilling earring picture from internet and I posted on my Instagram stories asking you all if you like this design and if you want me to quill the same. So this was the picture that I posted and most of you voted yes, you want me to quill this. So here I have made this earring myself. It's a handmade quilling earring and would like to show you the process, how I started, how I made it. So let's get into the video. But before going to the video, please do watch this video till the end, because at the end I am going to show you my complete collection of quilling earrings that I made myself. And yeah, please comment below if you like any of these designs, which design you like the most. Hey friends, before starting the video also I would like to show you the earring that I am wearing is also made by me. It's a quilling earring. Let me just come a bit closer and show you. So this is also handmade quilled earring by me. If you liked it, comment below. So now let's start. Hey friends, here are few of my quilling strips in different colors, different size. So here we have this pink, green, different shades of green, blue. Today I'm going to use this red shade, yellow, this pink and this green. These four shades we are going to use. Also friends, yeah, let me show you my other stuffs, the hooks and other stuff that I use. So here I keep all the other stuff in this small box. And also here comes my complete collection that of earrings that I made. These all are made by me. This one a few months back I made. This also I have to put the hook. This was during the first phase of my quilling I made this. Also friends, yeah, please stay tuned in this video. I'll show you the complete collection at the end. Stuck in my brain. Stuck in my brain.